So I just rotated the tires on the 2022 Rivian R1T for the second time. It has 22,754 miles on it now. So we've had the Rivian R1T for about 2 years now. It's been really trouble-free, hasn't needed any service appointments, and no flat tires. I did order the 21-inch spare tire with the delivery. This first-gen Rivian R1T has the 21-inch Pirelli Scorpion Verde tires all season on it. And they've worn pretty well. I actually run the vehicle in the low all-purpose mode most of the time. I know a lot of people said it causes additional tire wear, but it's better for efficiency. I'll put a link to my tire rotation video below. It'll tell you what you need to do if you want to try to rotate the tires yourself. So I use one of these tire tread depth gauges to measure the tread after I rotated the tires. And I rotated them front to back. I know the manual says go front to back switching sides, but that's just too difficult to do. You need like 4 jacks to do that properly. And after 22,000 miles, they still have 530 seconds left of tread. Now I inspected the tires and they still look pretty good. There's a couple of small tears in the tread where maybe stones cut the tire, but they've held up really well, both on road and off. And they're pretty quiet on the road and give a nice smooth ride. They also work fine in the ice and snow. I know before they added a snow mode, some people had problems with regen and brake blending, but after they added that, they really work just as good as any other all-season tire. Now, I think I'll probably get another 8,000 miles out of these tires, so they'll make it through the winter. Maybe after the summer, I'll replace them next year. And I know that Michelin has a Defender that fits this size, but the load rating isn't the same as these Pirelli Scorpions, so I'm probably not going to bother going with that. I'm going to keep the factory tire on there. They've been good. The wear is decent. You're not going to get 60,000 miles out of a 800 plus horsepower truck tire. There you go. So the Pirelli Scorpions held up pretty good. If there were more options, maybe I'd think about switching. I was thinking if maybe Nokian had an exact fit tire, but they still don't, for the 21-inch Rivian wheel. And now they discontinued the 21-inch wheel for the Gen 2 R1s. So now there's only a 22-inch wheel. So there's little hope that they're going to develop another tire other than the Pirelli Scorpion for this vehicle. I'm going to set these tires back to 48 PSI for the winter, cold. And let's see how they do. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.